Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Sparkle and Glue. It's time to spin the wheel. Anyway, um, so the entry has officially closed. It's for the Secret Garden journal that I made online or on the video, and for the mini, there it is. So, anyway, I entered all the names of everyone who said the word sparkle in our comments in YouTube. And I added everything to our sparkle and glue wheel. So let's go ahead and give it a spin and see what happens. All right, here we go. We're spinning. And it looks like Moonkyst. I'm sorry, I don't know if I pronounced that right, but thank you so much. Congratulations, you have won. So if you would go ahead and contact me, you can send an email, you can Facebook Messenger, in Ko-fi, wherever you have a place you want to contact me, and send me your address so I can go ahead and send your journal out to you. Anyway, congratulations. Thank you guys. I hope you have a great day.